doing?
A paint.
You're painting your pumpkins?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You having fun?
Yeah.
Nice.
Blue.
You painted it green?
Yeah, green.
Cool. I like yours too, Christopher. Doing
Yeah.
good. Mommy making one too?
Yeah.
I'm making a Christmas pumpkin. What type of pumpkin you making?
Gigi.
Gigi's pumpkin? What are you making, Giovanni? That's pretty.
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin?
Pumpkin. Pumpkin.
G. Putting glitter on the pumpkin? You like glitter?
Heckle. No.
They look awesome! You guys did a good job! Oh, put down so it dries.